Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to delete a YouTube video. I'm now inside my YouTube studio dashboard, and if you don't know how to land on this page, just type this address studio.youtube.com. After arriving at this page, just go to the content page. Now select or check this box next to the video that you want to delete. If you want to select all the video at once, just click on select all. Now all videos are selected. If you click on it one time, only the visible videos are selected. After selecting the video that you want to delete, in my case, I want to delete only this single video. Make sure to select it and go to more actions and hit delete forever. Check this box next to I understand. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that I have a YouTube online course that you can get access today for free. Inside this YouTube basics course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with your YouTube channel. For example, how to create your channel, verify it, edit your channel name and banner, create your logo. You will also learn how to create content and upload it to YouTube. For example, how to make an intro for a YouTube video, how to write scripts, how to record laptop screen, and many things. Video optimization and management is also included. Inside it, you will learn how to replace audio in a YouTube video, how to add a link in a video description, how to add a subscribe button on a YouTube video. You will also learn how to grow and manage your channel, technical and security settings, and integration and external sharing. To get access to all of this today for free and also these online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Check this box next to I understand that deleting is permanent and can't be undone. Click on this delete forever button. They are now deleting this video and you can leave this screen. For example, you can close it or open another one. And this is how to delete a YouTube video. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.